Welcome to our tutorial about inserting text on a sketch. Let's begin with a right-click, Insert Sketch. Now we'll activate the Text tool. Enter, for example, my text. Now I'll select the curve along which to align the text. I'm able to select more than one curve. Down here I've got alignment and appearance options. I can make the text bold, italic, let's delete everything. We can flip it vertical or horizontal. I can also use a custom font. I can change the font size. I'm also able to set the height in millimeters. For example, tab. OK, and let's accept this. We can also use the sketch as a text path. Right-click and select. Double-click on the text. Right-click, clear selections. Now let's use the path I just created. Let's flip the text horizontally and click OK. If I want to change the shape of individual letters, I can right-click and select Dissolve Sketch Text. Now I'm able to grab and drag lines if I want to, for example. Let's undo. Now let's Control-select this path and convert to construction geometry. Click OK, let's exit the sketch. Now we're ready for an extrude. Maybe 2 millimeters. And OK. I see here that I do have a funny typo. I have my texy instead of my text. Let's go and change that. Right-click, Edit Sketch. We double-click to make our change. And let's exit the sketch. This concludes our tutorial on sketch text.